sign in. Then over here, information about the Whitewater Draw area and the Sandhill Cranes. Tells you the size of them and all of that stuff. Courtship, nesting, all of that. Pretty cool. And then, oh, let's walk down here. You are in some of the most scenic country in Arizona. Really.
Oh, I didn't look up binoculars. Not enter, so.
Well,
here I go.
there you go.
This is how we roll, babe.
Maybe.
I don't want to be by other people.
Then you'll be in trouble.
Well, there's a sign there that says, do not enter, then we'll turn around.
Right.
Fine.
Area behind the closed to entry and hunting from October 15th through March 15th. All right. I think there's like you can hunt these things too. There's like a hunting limit, 2 a year or something like that.
Jeez, these need to be redone.
You were reading my mind. Some of those look like a bunch of different little things out here. Yeah, so you're getting better ones than I can get with this. You don't really get much of this. It's like an observation point here.
Nice. Ooh, we could sit here and just relax. We're not really looking at anything right now other than duckies.
Can you look through there and see them? I remember back in the day you'd go to places and they would have those and you'd have to put money in them, you know?
Yeah, ooh, yeah, you can get a really good view of the... This would be the time to be on that one, the binocular thingies.
There you go. I think they're going to try to come overhead here.
Stayed over there.
He had a good spot. He had just a good shot from here.
It's a pretty duck.
Yeah.
Actually, it's a really nice place to come and eat lunch, babe.
Yeah. If you want to drive 1,000,000 miles, you know?
Yeah. Come in the area, stop and pick up a sandwich somewhere, come out here and eat it.
Yeah. The owl roost area. Stay on the trail, and there's the owl roost area. There are 1,000 species of bats worldwide. Well, right there, those are bat houses. Little bats get up and live in that right there. Probably can't see them, but there's flocks and flocks of the cranes flying in over the pecan orchards here, going over to the draw. Hopefully we get a better video with the phone, but there's just a boatload of them. So if you want to come out here to see them, the best time would probably be early in the morning, or like now. Look at, they're all in this guy's field right here. We'll take a detour here.
Yeah,
but and you can see them all in the field right here, and they're all coming in here, probably robbing the pecans and pistachios and all of that. Yeah, I'm gonna turn around. So there we are. So you can see them all. I don't know if you can see them all up in the air, but they're all flying around up there.
They are.
Yeah, they're pretty big. And there's lots of them here. They're just eating all the piles of stuff. Pretty interesting, and there's just flocks and flocks and flocks of them. So we're gonna turn around here and see if we can get a better picture. Get that other camera.
Yeah.